Hi, I'm Jeff Day with Grow Strong Industries, here to talk to you today about reattaching your zipper to the roof of your Gorilla Grow tent. As you may have already noticed, most zippers on the tent are not easily reattachable and may require a bit of strength to connect. This is due to the snug fit of our tent design and adds to the strength of the tent structure. First, locate the brake in the back of the tent roof, or extension skirt if you have already installed one, where there is a stop and start for your zipper. Locate the side with the metal slide. This is where you would start the loose or replace zipper by sliding on the track backwards and continuing to pull it all the way around the tent to the starting point. Then locate the velcro assist straps on the roof and back wall of the tent body. Attach these straps to hang the wall to the roof of the tent so you can attach your zippers without the added stress of holding up the tent walls. Thank you for tuning in and watching. My name is Jeff with Grow Strong Industries. I hope you have a great day.